Shannon from Cloud Design Box. From seamless collaboration to efficient document management, we've got you covered with step-by-step guides and tips. Today we're diving into site creation tools available on our portal. Our admin portal combines security, simplicity, and efficiency together to enhance your experience. Site creations processed through our portal are audited, giving you peace of mind. The simplicity of our interface makes navigation a breeze, and using the portal also adds the sites to the mega menu, as well as adding the school prefix to the URL, allowing for quick identification and organisation. Let's jump right in. We will begin on our admin portal. Here at the top you will see a tab called Sites. Select this. Here you will see two options, a team site and a communication site. Team sites are perfect for collaboration in small groups, allowing everyone to see and edit everything. They effectively replace shared drives and folders and are available in both Teams and SharePoint. With features like online meetings and chat, Teams sites are essential for dynamic teamwork, and you'll likely need many of these. An example of a scenario in which a team site would be used is a human resources team working on a new event. They can use a team site to share documents, track progress, and hold virtual meetings. On the other hand, communication sites are designed for scenarios where lots of people will read content but only a few will edit it. The 365 groups for team sites can also be used to permission the communication sites. These sites are ideal for publishing information and are only available in SharePoint. Given their specific use case, you'll probably need fewer communication sites. We shall begin and take a look at team sites. Here you will see a small form to fill out, and at the bottom you will see an audit. The audit provides the site name that has been created, the date and how long ago, who by, and the status of its creation. In site name, put the name you wish the site to be called. Here you can add owners and the members. As you can see, I'm already an owner of this team site. We will just add Aaron, but you can add as many as you wish. Under team template, you'll see there is standard and education staff as well as education PLC. In this case, we will just stick with standard. Once you are happy, select save, and you'll see a notification that pops up saying it will take up to an hour for it to appear on the mega menu. If you'd like to see the status, you can go back in, and you'll see here it says awaiting site creation. Now we'll take a look at communication sites. Again, if you scroll down at the bottom, you can see an audit of all the sites created, their name, when and who by. Here you'll see a slightly larger form to fill in, and again you would just put the name in for the site you would like to create. In this case we will choose example 4. Read groups are the groups in which we'll have access to the site but in only read format. This means they won't be able to edit anything within that site. Edit and design groups have more permissions, allowing them to edit the site. Here is where you can use the 365 group that we just created. Full control gives you permission to edit the access of the site and the level of permissions groups have. We also have many more site templates to choose from. Here you can see we have safeguarding, policies, send and well-being, and many more. For example, we will just use send. Again, click save and you'll receive a notification to say it will take an hour to appear on the mega menu. Here you can see we have example 4 and example 2, which are the sites that we have just created. If I click on example 4, you'll see that in the URL we have the school prefix. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you. If you found this guide useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Got questions or need any further clarification, please drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. If you have suggestions for future tutorials, we would love to hear those too. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!